Tonight we're making a tasty appetizer, sausage and cream cheese stuffed portobello mushrooms. We're taking large portobello mushrooms and stuffing them with ground seasoned pork, cream cheese, parmesan cheese, and shredded mozzarella cheese. We'll top it with a sauce made from butter, sour cream, garlic and onion, turmeric, and Natalie's lemon juice. Each mushroom is only 2 grams of net carbs, so it's perfect for the keto diet. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it.
My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens around the world. During the day, I work for Natalie, a squeezed fresh juice company from Florida. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking.
Tonight we're making a tasty appetizer, sausage and cream cheese stuffed portobello mushrooms. We're taking large organic portobello mushrooms and stuffing them with seasoned ground pork, cream cheese, grated parmesan cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, and baking them in the oven. We'll top them with a sauce made from butter, sour cream, yellow onion, garlic, turmeric, and Natalie's lemon juice. Each mushroom is only 2 grams of carbs, so it's perfect for the keto diet. For the mushrooms, you'll need 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 12 large mushrooms with the centers removed, 6 ounces of ground pork, a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and a 1/2 teaspoon of fennel, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of minced onion, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 ounces of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheddar cheese, a pinch of dried parsley flakes, and a pinch of paprika for color. And for the sauce, you'll need a 1/2 stick of butter, 2 tablespoons of minced onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of Natalie's lemon juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and turmeric. Grate and shred the cheeses and mince the onions and the garlic. Pull the stems out of the mushrooms and clean them out with a spoon. Then poke holes in the bottom of the mushrooms. This is so that the water and moisture will drain out during cooking. Put the ground pork into a pan on medium heat. Then add in the seasoning, the onion, and the garlic. Once the meat is cooked, drain the cooked pork and then add it to a bowl. Add in the cream cheese and the Parmesan cheese and mix it all together. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Put the sausage and cream cheese stuffing into the mushrooms, then put the mushrooms onto a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Put the mushrooms into the oven and bake them for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. And now we'll make the sauce. In the skillet, add the butter, onions, garlic, and saute for 5 minutes. Add in the sour cream, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and turmeric, and give it a stir. Pull the mushrooms out of the oven, drain the excess water, and then turn the oven up to 450 degrees. Then sprinkle the mushrooms with the mozzarella cheddar cheese, and put them back in the oven for 10 more minutes. We want the sauce to be smooth, so we'll blend it for a few seconds. Drizzle the sauce over the stuffed mushrooms, add a pinch of dried parsley flakes and a pinch of paprika, and we're ready to serve. And there they are! Sausage and cream cheese stuffed portobello mushrooms with a sour cream lemon butter sauce. The mushrooms are great as appetizers, and each one is only 2 grams of carbs, perfect for the keto diet. It was delicious! Until next time, bon appetit!